in the medium category. So be paying attention to the weather as we roll on through the next 36 to 48 hours. Also, we invite you to come out and join us to the northwest. We'll watch the shelf of storms move through the region around midnight or so.
Bill Goudy checking in. What a day. I'm telling you. It's they're forecasting widely scattered showers and then possible severe weather tonight. We're in the medium category. It's still dry. It's so dry and so windy, I don't even want to start a fire outside. I did a lot of mowing today. Got a lot of stuff done. I'm happy about that. I'm getting caught up. I'm starting to anyway. And, you know, I thought I'd have me an East Texas meal tonight. Yeah, Thomas, the guy I met down there in East Texas, he fixed me up with some tamales. They handmade these tamales. I got them cooking in that pot right over there. And then he gave me some purple-eyed peas. I think they're purple hull peas, but they got pink eyes. And he said you got to mix them up with some bacon. Bacon grease on there. Well, so that's what I'm having tonight for supper. Just a quick, yeah, I didn't get anything out. I didn't know what the weather was going to be. I didn't know what to do. So I got the tamales going. I got the peas going. In just a matter of time, we'll be trying them out. Check it out, will you? Thanks, Calvin. I got some bacon, partially cooked bacon in there. I'm adding mushrooms and onions. I'm going to fry this up and get that, yeah, get all them bacon bits in there. Then I'll add my peas. It's hot. Uh-oh. It's hot, 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 hot. I think I could make a meal right out of this all by itself. That looks so good. That is a Tyler, Texas meal. I want to thank Thomas and his wife. Oh man, that looks so good. You are going to hear me say it. Yes, you are. Look at the goodness. Oh, let's try one of these tamales. Yeah, totally done. Look at that. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Man, is that good. I didn't make those. I mean, I made them, but I didn't make them. You know what I mean? All I did was steam them. Oh, those are so good. You know what? You know what I'm going to try? Yep. I'm going to spice them up just a little bit with the Camp-Made jalapeno sauce. Let's give that a try, shall we? Wow. That is a nice little kick. Oh, those are good. Thank you, Thomas. That is excellent. Oh, look at that. Let's try some of those peas. They said you gotta have the bacon in there. I did. I put the bacon in. Look at that. Melt in your mouth. I got enough peas here for an army. That's alright. I'll eat them. I definitely will eat those warmed up. So tender. That flavor. You know, I'm thinking I'd put a little hot sauce on that myself. Oh, those are good. Now we're talking. Oh man, that is so good. I'm telling you. The bacon grease. I'm telling you, that sure adds a lot to. It sure does. It just adds so much flavor. I'm hungry, and you can tell. I had a busy day. So busy. This is so nice. It was nice of Thomas to fix me up with this stuff. I could just quickly throw it in the steamer, throw it in the cast iron pan, and cook it up. I want to thank Camp-Made for making an excellent. This is mild. I mean, they have hotter sauce than this, but this is hot sauce with a medium. They call it medium, but it's perfect for this. It really is. Listen, I'm going to finish eating. I appreciate you watching. I really do. Thank you so much. Bill Goudy out. Oh, hey, wait. You want any Camp-Made stuff? You want any Camp-Made accessories? You want the grilling? You want anything, any of that stuff? I'll put a link down below. Follow it. Enter Goudy20. Yes, I can get you 20% off. Bill Goudy really out this time.